Beloveds, guess what I have? A pendulum. And you know what this is used for? What I use it for anyway, is direct communication with my inner consciousness, my Ori. So let me give this demonstration. So I'm going to ask permission first because everything that is done uh, by way of inertia, which is energy, and um, you have to ask for permission, right? So, to my Ori, first of all, let's establish yes. Can you show me which way is yes? And then can you tell me which way is no? As you can tell, their yes is um, vertical, I guess you could say, like up and down, and no is in a circular motion. So I can ask all of my no's, and it's best to see. You see, my arm is pretty stationary here, and I'm holding. This is my particular one. Now I sell these, but it's not as. I bought this a long time ago though. So it's kind of really cute, really neat. And I use it for my yes and no question sessions with my Ori. Because you have the human side of yourself. And the human side of yourself is always checking like the facts that are stored in the file folders in your brain, right? We call that schemes. So what happens in schemes, it's much like the organization of application. Really, it's just a file that is introduced from the introduction of new information. So what happens is the brain is then employed to chase whatever is similar to that newly introduced idea. So, say for instance, it's a red, fluffy heart. Those little red pillow hearts, they're furry. Okay, well, then your brain automatically initiates itself involuntarily, sort of, because you're not employing it to do it at that time. Created it just created a file folder from what new information you discovered. So then in your life, in your days, in your goings on, then your brain is looking and scanning your environment to find other furry things. It just wants to test. Okay, are they all hearts? Do they all feel the same? I mean, it just continues to go and go and go and go and go on its own, and that's how we learn new things, right? So, anywho, this is about the pendulum, and because of those folders and it being contradictory information, my eyes are dry. Contradictory information, it's hard to tell what's real and what's not. But your spiritual eyes will not lie. We might not like or accept what our spiritual eyes are telling us, because maybe it's opposite of our what we desire to happen for us, but it's still truth the same. So here we are. And so, I mean, I'm a very private person, so I'm not going to just delve into. So today I got fired from my job. And so I guess I want to ask my Ori, my inner consciousness, my inner truth, my inner navigation system. Is this the start? Is this the beginning of my business journey? By business journey, I mean my path to completing all of the objectives that I have in alignment for my, I moved, spiritual neural. And should I pursue another job? Then should I just take this opportunity and let my creativity build me wealth? So there it is. There it is. I love it. Pendulum. I sell these. Okay, I sell them in some beautiful, beautiful colors. I will post them so that you can see the different ones. And I highly encourage you to take time, okay? Some meditative time for yourself, so that you can see where yourself is going, because no one can make you happy the way you can make you happy, okay? That's what I learned. I'm happy. Eyes free, y'all.